Hello everyone. So recently Wuthering Wave just released the update for 2.1 which include ray tracing, but is currently locked in the 4000 and 5000 series card, which is unfortunate because the 2000 and 3000 series card also supports the RT cores, which technically should make them able to run ray tracing. So I don't know why they locked it on the 4000 and 5000. Maybe it's just the optimization issue or something, but I'm just gonna show you guys how to unlock them for the 2000 3000 series. So what you want to do first is you want to go ahead and go to my description, because you want to need to download this DB browser for SQLite. You're gonna need it basically to edit some of the configuration later in your database. Alright, second step is you want to go to Wuthering Wave. You want to go to settings, browse files. Now it's gonna bring you to your Wuthering Wave directory. What you want to do now is you want to go to client and you want to go to config. Okay, make sure that on rtx.json you want to make sure that on b ray tracing enable is set to 1. You want to click on save. You can close that. Next up, you want to go to save. You want to go to local storage. You want to go to local storage or DB and open it with the DB browser that you just downloaded. Once you're open up over here, you want to go to browse data. And you want to search in the filter in any columns. You want to search on ray tracing. You should see 4 options, which is ray tracing, ray trace reflection, ray trace GI, and ray trace shadow. Make sure that this 3 is on 1. You can change the value over here. It should be at 0 for you guys. You want to change it to 1 and click apply. For ray tracing, you can either put on 1, 2, or 3, depending on your graphic card's power. Basically, 1 is the lowest setting, 2 is the medium, 3 is the highest setting. Basically, you just want to mess around with this stuff and see your FPS in game. After you've done applying all your changes, you want to click on write changes, which will apply to your game. Once you do that, you can just close the application and you want to go back onto your game launcher, browse files again. You want to go to client, save, and then this time you want to click on config. Windows Now Editor. And this is where you want to change a majority of your stuff here. You want to click on engine.ini, properties, make sure that the read only is unticked so you can actually edit stuff inside it. Once you open it, what you guys should see normally is just the path files. Here you don't have all this stuff that we're going to copy it down later. Basically, all you're just going to see is this path here all the way to the top, the core system. Now this is totally normal because you haven't added any stuff yet. So what you want to do is you want to go to my description below. There should be a lot of stuff you want to copy. You just want to copy everything that's there and you want to paste it right below the paths. This will make sure to enable the ray tracing feature, and also I added some optimization stuff for your PC, so it should run a little bit better. Especially when you turn on ray tracing, it's gonna take more of your GPU power. So this is to ensure that your game will run smoothly. Once you've done that, you wanna close everything, and then you wanna make sure that the launch with DirectX 11 is turned off. Now because ray tracing feature only works on DX12. Now if you don't want to do that, you can close and right click on your Wuthering Wave launcher. You want to click on properties and make sure to put DX12 and dash RTX over here right after your target.exe. You want to put that, just make sure it will always run in DX12. So you just want to open Wuthering Wave now. Now, if this is your first time changing those value and turning on RTX, you might need to restart Wuthering Wave twice to make the ray tracing enabled. So basically, once you're in the game, you want to exit and then you want to re-enter the game to enable the ray tracing feature. For some reason, it only enables after you restart twice. Alright. So I'm in the main menu right now. I'm currently playing in 4K using the RTX 3060 Ti And as you can see, my FPS is quite low actually. So yeah, if you have the 2000 or 3060 series card, I recommend you play in 2K or maybe even 1080p, because 4K is just way too heavy. I mean, it's totally up to you. If you just want to like walk around and look at the view, then 4K works perfectly. Alright, now as you can see here, ray tracing is on and it looks gorgeous. Now, how to tell if the ray tracing is actually on? Well, first of all, you will see a tank in your FPS. At 4K without ray tracing, I'm usually getting around 60 FPS, but now I'm only getting around 47 FPS. So that's one way to tell that your ray tracing is probably already on. Alright, now the next thing you want to check, if you've enabled ray tracing, is you want to see a reflection on a glass pane or window. Now if you see here, you can actually see your own reflection in the window, and this means that it is currently working. So yeah, you can just enjoy your game. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.